Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's color this bubble wrap. We are going to make beautiful flower. Put the colors using leaves and make the flower petals. Tap all of them on the sheet of paper and it's ready. We're going to take this transparent polythene and tie a knot at one end. We're going to make stamp drawing today. So put different colors and stamp it on the sheet of paper. Make beautiful flowers. You can also use an earbud and make the center part, draw the leaves, and look, your beautiful drawing is ready. Put color on one side of the hand and stamp it on the sheet of paper. We're going to make different carrots. Look how easy it is. After this, we're going to make a basket as well. Take brown color and look how beautiful this is looking. Take this straw and blow the black color. Make the branches of the tree and trunk. Now using fingers, we're going to make the colorful leaves and look how beautiful this drawing is looking. Here we're going to take this bubble wrap and cut a shape like this. Now paste it on the black sheet of paper. After this, using this brush, we're going to color it green. You can also use clay and paper in place of this and cut different shapes like eyes and paste it together and look, it's ready. We're going to make bunch of earbuds, tie them together and tap the green color on the sheet of paper. We're going to make a crown of the tree. Now we're going to draw the tree trunk using brown paper. Similarly, using toothbrush, we're going to make the grass and it's ready. Let's make this beautiful craft. You're going to cut the shape of an apple using bubble wrap and color it red. Now using green and brown clay, we're going to make the leaf and stick and put it on the top of it. We're also making two little eyes and smiley face using clay and look, it's ready. We're going to make pumpkin drawing using fingers. So dab your index finger and give it shape like this. Now using black marker, we're going to draw lines. Similarly, make the green stick and leaves around it. And look, your pumpkin drawing is ready. We're going to paste this white tape on the top of the white sheet of paper and make the checkered pattern. Now take this yellow color and we're going to paint pineapples. Similarly, you can use earbuds and make the brown dots. Now remove the tape and it's ready. Let's make a beautiful drawing. We're going to use different colors. First, we're using the pink one. Then we're also using green and make these random dots on the top of it. After this, using this white pen, we're going to add more lines around it. You can use your fingertip and create more circular things around it. And look, your drawing is ready. Take a bubble wrap and cut these pomegranate shape and paste it on the sheet of paper. Let's color them red. Now we're going to add more lines around using sketch pens and it's ready. So we're going to fold this polythene and paint one corner of it. Dab it on the sheet of paper and you will get these beautiful rose flowers. Now draw some leaves and stick. Paste a red bow and it's ready. Let's make sunflower using bubble wrap. We're going to color it yellow and dab it on the sheet of paper. Now using leaves, we are making the flower petals. You can also use brush for grass and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.